Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to not plug in, but connect your Nintendo Switch 1 Joy-Cons to your Windows 11 computer using Bluetooth so that you can use them to play all of your favorite games. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have both of your Joy-Cons charged up and in your hand. Then open up your Bluetooth and devices window. It's inside your Windows 11 system settings. You can just search for it, or it's just literally in the sidebar on the left. And then with your Bluetooth turned on, because you're going to need a Bluetooth device in your computer. If you have Wi-Fi, you probably have Bluetooth built in. You might just have to update drivers and turn it on. But once you've got that already, go ahead and let's start with the right controller. Look on the side of it where it connects to your Nintendo Switch, or would normally connect to a Nintendo Switch, by sliding it in. And there's a circular button in the middle next to four little light diodes. Go ahead and press and hold on that until the lights start to dance. It'll only be a couple seconds, and once it does, you can click on the Add Device button, click Bluetooth, and then you should see Switch Joy-Con R. Go ahead and click on that. That'll automatically pair it. You can click done. Once you do, it should briefly blip the first light as a solid light for a sec, and then it'll be paired. It won't stay lit though all the time. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's not this time. And then after that, we'll press and hold that same button on the left Joy-Con till the lights start to dance. Then we'll click on Add Device again, click Bluetooth, and then there's the left one. We'll have it connect as well. It'll probably blip the light for number 2 when it's fully connected. Oh, nope, it blipped the first one. And then once those are both connected, you should be good to go. Now you can play all your favorite games that are compatible with it with these two controllers. I will note you typically need some type of driver to get these to behave themselves with most games. A lot of games don't have any support for Nintendo controllers out of the box. There are some. I'm not familiar with what they are, but I do know they exist. So you might need either the Steam drivers, which are fantastic. DS4 Windows supports these. I believe DSX also supports those, which is a paid option on Steam. You can also use Rewazd, but I don't like Rewazd because it requires a subscription, so it's kind of a ripoff. Have to pay a subscription just to use your own devices. Otherwise, if you don't want these connected anymore, all you have to do is go back to this same window, the Bluetooth and devices, go to these top little boxes, see these three little dots. If you click on them, there's only one option, remove device, and you can do that with both of them. And then bingo bango, they're disconnected from your computer and they won't try to auto reconnect. You can slip them back into your Nintendo Switch and nobody will be the wiser. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.